weather report was sunny, and it's sunny today again, and it will be I'm going to weather report. And it will be cold tomorrow, and if you want to see, come to the Camp.38 McDonald's, and we are in T45. Goodbye.
Old McDonald's Farm. Thank you very much. And here comes Kara.
Hi.
There's been a terrible report here at Old McDonald Farm. Somebody crashed their go-kart.
Ooh, that's very terrible.
And I want to show you the most terrible, the newest part ever. Somebody tossed the bear into a dirt terrific start.
Back to Kyra.
Back to Kara.
There's been a terrible report right this moment. At night, at 3 o'clock in the morning right now, a bear has broken into a tent.
Oh no, that's really bad.
Now back to this.
Now back to Christopher.
And they had food in the tent. Oh no.
And now back to Christopher.
Okay, the news is somebody broke into my house, and it was
very terrible.
Hey, I didn't finish it, and big claws, big bones, big teeth, big toenails, big chin, big mouth, big eyeballs, big everything bugged into my house.
Was that a bear or something?
Yes, it was bad. It stood on my toys.
I said, was that a bear?
Don't talk into the land.
No, it was a monster.
How was it a monster?
It was to my toys. Is that the most nightmare ever?
Yes.
Katrina, go closer. That's terrible news. Is that on recording?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. Terrible news. The dog is too warm.
And it got sick?
No. And died.
Let's see the video. Grandpa, I'm holding.
Yellow.
Let's see the video.
Let's go.
Let's see the video.
Yeah.